Go this way, Xavier. Xavier, go this way.
Mommy! I don't see you. Marco! There you are. Mommy!
Did you hear him yelling for you?
No.
He was going to do it, do it.
Look, Mommy! I found my mommy.
I found my mommy.
What the hell was that?
I found my mama.
It's okay, everybody. I found my mom. I located her.
What'd you do? Use the Find Me app?
I have located my mother.
Yeah, over there. This is his mother.
Where?
Over
the
this
next
way.
aisle over. I think.
Mommy, mommy, mommy.